Welcome to week 3 of hashtag Spring and Mother's Day Collab 2021, hosted by Kathy of Kathy's Favorite Things and Patti of Life with Patti. Friends, we need to have a conversation about embroidery hoops. All right, so that's this week's challenge, and I just have to tell you, I could not get inspired. And I didn't want to go on Pinterest and then just pick something off of there and copy it, because that is not how I work. I really like stuff to just formulate in my brain, and then I like to create it, and that's just how I do stuff. So this was such a challenge for me to find some inspiration. And I actually found a picture. It was a vintage picture and it had some yellow ducks in it, and I thought, oh my gosh, this will be really cute to work with, it'll be perfect. But then I just was like, yeah, the picture's great, but the rest of my vision, it was lacking. It was coming together and the idea was good, but it wasn't my personality. So I went to bed that night and I was just like thinking, and suddenly I was inspired. I came up with the idea that I knew for me that it was the right move. So I want to just talk to you about that before I showed you what I made, but I have to tell you, I absolutely love what I ended up making.
Okay friends, so I'm sorry that I'm videoing a little bit different because I'm actually videoing using my cell phone. So I want to give you a close-up of this. I'm outside and you're gonna see why. So I have hot glued all these pretty flowers and leaves to this embroidery hoop. You saw the pictures before where I added my vintage fabric. I went around it with my vintage fabric. But why? Why did I do this? This is not very fancy. This is hardly impressive at all. Well, just hold on to your horses. I'll be right back. So do you guys remember our sweet little Crystal the flamingo? And my friend Crystal from Just Crafting over here, she gifted her to me. Well, here she is, and I have made this swing for her. Look how cute. And she fits right in there, so perfect. And there she is, having a good old time on her swing, out by the pool, enjoying the warm weather, listening to the birds singing in the trees. And this makes me so very happy. I know that it's not a traditional embroidery hoop, but I love it so much and it makes me very happy. And after all, that's what it's all about. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing my embroidery hoop. Please go check out all of the other collaborators because I am absolutely certain that they are going to have fantastic embroidery hoops.
I will have all of their channels listed in my description box, and I want to thank Kathy and Patti both for allowing me to participate in this really fun collaboration. I had a blast and I really enjoyed seeing everybody else's creations during these whole 3 weeks. It was just so much fun. So thank you so much, ladies, for having me, and thank you all for watching and being here and spending some time with me today.